Welcome to Pinstripe Alley. I'm your host, Rocksteady. Today, you shall get 1, 2, maybe even 1,000 pinstripes if we're lucky. On your right, you'll see a tree that will pinstripe you. There's also a tree on the left that will also want to pinstripe you. If you choose to do so, it is not my problem. Please consult your auto physician for any further details on pinstriping, and enjoy your stay at Pinstripe Alley. Hey, it's Lick and Poon.
Oh, okay.
Look. Lick and Poon.
Yeah, I've seen the price.
And on the other side, it says Lick and Poo.
Yeah.
Gabe, go into it so they can see how deep it is. Like, it's literally above his head. Like, ground, head. If we did this right, we could jump over Gabe. No, we're not gonna jump over Gabe. This is a little bit rutted out. It's kind of uppy downy and like, it's a little bit technical almost.
Leak. Oh boy.
Yeah, it's like a roller coaster.
Oh, really?
Oh,
you literally said
shit.
roller coaster, and it's a roller coaster.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
21 your G, bounce.
We're just in some random foresty area. Like,
What the?
we found the random fences of,
We found the random
Something.
parking lots.
like,
Well, it's
Posted no trespassing.
right? Like, let's see, that says, your dollar's at work. But to do what? Keep me out? Thanks a lot, Google. This is where Google leads us. Like, the actual hell, Google. Can't jump this. We could try, but we can't. Like, who decided that this was a good idea? Is it just, like, was there a bridge maybe? And it's gone now? I could see that being a thing. It's, like, pretty overgrown, so makes me think that's not the case. Like, that's full-on river. We can't bypass that. That ain't not happening. Well, I feel like there was a bridge here. What do you think? Well, that's not gonna happen. I guess, that's what happens when I let Josh lead with Google Maps. We end up at end of road. Like, Alright, so we're at camp. You know, it's starting to sprinkle a little bit, which kind of sucks, but, you know, it's dark out here. Things like this. But, what's that over there? I hope that's not a bear.
Hey!
Oh, it's a person. The heck? Hi, are you in trouble?
No, I've been chasing you for like 40 miles. You dropped this.
Dude, it's the GoPro. It's still on. How the actual... Well, we gotta hide a body now.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay. So you just passed out from exhaustion for a second. Okay, we're good. You good? We good?
Field?
Oh, food. Okay, yeah, there's food over here.
Okay.
Thank God. I thought he was here for about my car's extended warranty. Whew!
That's not good, sir.
Oh, shit.
Sir. No reason I'll be following you.
Shouldn't be this hard.
That's what she said.